Information reaching us now is that there has been gas explosion in Obuasi. What? Precisely, Stadium Junction. It have claimed one life and also leaving many people injured and other properties destroyed.
Madam from the bar, I mean, now call car and a be a car in the booth near day, the name of Kitan Blue car. And was a comedy and a PA bar, a quine here, but Tobian, the Tobian now. Yes, that is a bit of Bianana, yet say, honor, I blasted. Deny any man the code, you will say, guys, need be a bit soon as say two, be niatity, the Mojani two almost are rough.
Welcome to GH Celebrity News.
Alright, for eyewitness videos yidi beso mo na meso se we ni wa make so se we subscribe na beka abusiako we YouTube. Alright, so could do Obuasi kromo honoma Stadium Junction fitting shop ebi enchen honom no baby. Na in fact amanfo edi omo cars ekogya honom so mo ye nanso omankote asemde ewo honom ene say gaza na obi edi ye adwuma ewo honom no de beti ase boom, the gas has actually exploded and the gentleman who was using the gas to do the job, in fact atete no say utimi say nipa namba na atete say na twinama na kwase ni edwa ne say aw nipa ye mopo. Alright, abusafo yankoti eyewitness and some videos.
Abusiafo menoka say yewo Obuasi Stadium Junction. The channel say gas explosion esi wo bibia so he bibia mi jana bibia fitted for the one gas explosion esi wo ho ama report by the say enipa maybe Ephraim but a unconfirmed report. Menoka say Ghana National Fire Service omo BP mo hasi but send a generation we baby amijina any send a generation ano odin wa unim Obuasi no udu Stadium Junction na urema obehu say fitters ewo on the right side eho no abrosan bisi ho eho no de jano ato na me try se menya AC no omo ana omo ho ni bi na me di nkomo na omo am emu nchiremu se ne si mintimi get closer to the scene because it involved gas and eho ana ebi explode eho ana ebi explode enti me no ka say ya wo ha say ya update bi ebetimi ede ewo ha okay, Papa Bako, Nyame need din one for fee. According to report, na the Casio, Chairman Pacho did say.
Pajomidini Yaopoku.
Yaopoku, they put in this year.
Oh, you see, and say, an opera with the car back. We saw I can hold you. You know, one of Madame Bako from say, oh, Jashi is Nishan, and I'm in PA. Madame from the bar, I'm in our car, and a be a car in the booth near day, the name of Kitan Blue car. And was a comedy. And you pay bar a quine here, but Tobian, the Tobian now. Yes, that is a bit of Bianana. Yet say, honor, I blasted. Deny any man the code. You will say, guys, need be a bit soon as say two, be niatity. The Mojani two almost are rough. If you should have own to me, son. And the American madam was a master and a mechanic. Oh, and the me judge and inquire if you would be the got too many and as a car own a yatum. Now, made an American so bonnet more. A Jama
Cabe,
a Korea 21. Oh, shit. Indeed, you are around the area, so far as one or much as I won't me my and I'm mobile and so they were obviously a call years, and that's why I had identity. Still, a young Gusua, Ashi, you are around the area.
Matty,
the million I didn't want with you was maybe I let me tell you, can you say between how many I can say? Okay,
Ebusia Fonti send na make no way papa na oye ne car ewo ho e na dan for friend say o me ko to aduane ndi and move na ejano etimi gas etimi exploding.
Ha, abusafo. In fact, miracle say gas etimi din semboni say Ghana Fire Service ewo hono. What are we doing as a country? In fact, you better make us say Ghana Fire Service is the lowest budgeted institution say a budget ewo year anymore. We don't try to invest in them, yet we want them to achieve results. How can this be possible? This morning they are among for a using drone. Di dumijano. We are still using second-hand cars, whereby the cars, most of them, like 70% of them, are not fit. What kind of country are we in? No. In fact, we need to be serious in some way, somehow. As a country, say there have to be an investment in this sector, because a sector, it can save life, can save properties. Look, someone has just passed away like that. Properties has gone like that, and this could have been something to do if we have the right equipment. And Ghana, in fact, the fire service, I don't think say they have a kind of, firefighters where delia ye betima share no rescue the ewohobia. How? The whole Ghana say ye be komo no na nipa ba ko bi. The rest of it focus opinion. All right, I'm sure for let's just say I rehearse my if you honor no eba. But so anyway, make sure say we subscribe, not turn on the notification bell. My ojinchire embla e wa asem we ho. When me ya adwene say yenti yanim invest e wo fire system na drop a comment. Na be ma nkomo I de papa. Mo sonfo Azazi aka she'll be the head. Me that say piao.
Hi, wonderful people. My name is Akuma Mama Zimbi, and I love to read and listen to GH Celebrating News. Me that say.